welcome to the Chef's Girl TV. Today we're going to show you how to make homemade pizza, and we're actually going to show you how to make the pizza dough. So for the pizza dough you only need 5 ingredients. 5 ingredients, right?
5 minuti solo, 5 vedrai, delle patatine.
So let's get Chef Frigo to show us what we need. Alright, Chef Frigo, take us through the ingredients we need to make homemade pizza.
So we need a plain flour, salt, warm water, yeast, dry yeast, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil.
And that's to make the dough.
That's to make the dough.
Alright, let's go through it.
Now it's 3:30. We're gonna have this pizza for tonight. So we're gonna use 5-6 grams of dry yeast. The best thing is to prepare the dough the day before. So if you're gonna do that, just put like 1 or 2 grams of yeast. You make the dough, put in the fridge, you take it out the next day, and the dough will mature better.
Chef Frigo!
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Chef Frigo, are you ready?
Yes. So to start, in a bowl, we put nearly all the water, dry yeast. With the warm water, the yeast is gonna be activated straight away. If we put cold water, the yeast won't start straight away and will take longer to rise. If the water is too hot, you kill the yeast. Salt, we're gonna mix it with the water, the dough we left before. So it's gonna be melted and it's gonna blend in the dough easier. We're gonna add flour. Now that the water and the yeast are mixed with the flour, we add the last bit of water and salt. I added a little bit of flour because every type of flour has a different capacity to absorb water. You see, when it has a nice texture like this, it's like a boob.
Oh my gosh. So basically what Chef Frigo is trying to say is that it's a soft dough. You can push it, kind of springs back slowly. It's got a bit of body.
A bit of bella.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We add a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna mix it again until the oil is incorporated in the dough.
Dough needs to absorb all of the oil. So take it out of the bowl and put it onto the bench. We're going to keep kneading it.
When you knead it, you have to kind of keep going folding it. It's nice. The oil is all absorbed. You can't feel any more oil on the surface. As you can see, now it's super smooth. So we put a little bit of flour here. Get our boob.
If you're going to say it, it's boob.
Boob. So we're gonna wrap it.
So we're going to let it set aside for 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're going to transfer it to another tray. Now what are we going to do? Pussyna! Oh, yes, sleep time.
There we go. Dough, as you can see, risen
Yeah, it's risen.
a lot. So here on the tray we put some olive oil. So it's gonna be easier to spread it, and it's also gonna help us to have a nice color on the base of the pizza.
Yeah.
With my tarocco.
You can also use a scraper like the one where you used to take cakes out of the bowl.
What we're gonna do now is we spread it in the tray.
Okay. So we're all getting into the edges.
And put just a touch of oil on top. Okay.
Nice
There
and
we go.
packed. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like now. We'll have to wait until it's risen in an hour to an hour and a half. Alright, check out the pizza dough now. It's risen so much, so we can actually decorate our pizza dough with all our ingredients. What have we got to decorate?
Decorate is not the right word. You can condire la tua pizza
Yeah, so put toppings on.
with whatever you like.
We're doing
We're doing, we have a cherry tomato passata that I made with mozzarella, Asiago cheese and grilled zucchini.
beautiful.
Vegetarian option.
You can just get any passata sauce from
Yeah,
the
of course.
supermarket. Alright, let's do this. I'll do it. I can do it. We're just spreading it out, the bottom, the back of the spoon.
I like it with a lot of tomato. Mozzarella first.
Put the mozzarella first. Just spread out. Just cut them nice, kind of like that into pieces. And the zucchini.
You were not recording, Michela.
No.
I'm joking! That's mozzarella. With some grilled zucchini, my favorite vegetable.
You can put eggplant. You can.
Just if you fry it.
You can put mushrooms. Mushrooms are nice on the pizza. You can put prosciutto. I like salami and olives because I'm a Siciliana. Alright,
And where are you from, sorry?
Vicenza.
Good.
Okay, I think we need some more cheese.
I
Put
think
some
that's
parmesan.
plenty. I think that's plenty
I think we
cheese.
could just-
No.
So we're gonna pop our pizza into the oven. We're gonna bake the pizza for 20 minutes in the oven on 200 degrees.
When you open the oven, be fast because every second the door is open, the temperature drops of 10 degrees.
Okay, Mr. Chef, let's come back and check in 20 minutes. Let's get it out. 20 minutes has passed. Let's see if it's ready.
Let's see.
Wow.
It's ready.
I reckon it looks great. This is an Italian pizza in teglia, which is quite different to what you would probably see here in Australia. So now that our pizza is ready, we're just gonna let it cool down for a couple of minutes before we cut it up and eat it. We're cutting the pizza in teglia.
You can see it's nice,
Fluffy.
super fluffy. So one slice for Michela.
No, that's too not big enough. Oh, is that my slice here and that's your slice? Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll do the dishes later.
I cooked you clean. Stai facendo poi? Fino alla torta, la pizza.
No, that's my piece. That's my piece. I can eat all that.
Eat a small piece and non per le palle.
That's tiny.
Eat a small piece.
So now you know how to make homemade pizza and the dough as well. What are we making next time? It's a secret? It's a secret. See you next time on the Chef's Girl TV.